Hello, my name is Andrew Schwabe. I'm the founder of Formatic, and tonight I spoke about Boxfuse and Shippable and the DevOps workflow. So what is Boxfuse? Boxfuse is a containerization technology very similar to Docker, but has distinct advantages and values, useful for deploying native applications in a very, very small container to the cloud. So how did I find out about Boxfuse? Well, in Formatic, we chose to use the Dropwizard framework. And so the first thing I did after we started building our app with Dropwizard was to find tools that are best suited for deployment. I found Boxfuse because they had some unique optimizations specifically for Dropwizard applications, and that just really turned me on to how significant of a value that their service has. So what is containerization and why is it helpful? Containerization is a way for you to take your production code or your code for your application and stick it into a controlled environment. And now instead of just distributing your source code or your compiled code of your application, you're actually distributing all the dependencies for the environment as well. And that eliminates all those problems where you might run into a situation where a code doesn't run well in that environment where it did run well in a different environment. How was the feedback regarding talking about Boxfuse and its applications and any other highlights? I think the feedback was great. There were some really good questions. It gave me some good perspective as to how we go beyond just Java as a deployment language and where some of the values lie and the needs lie for other languages as well as other environments beyond Amazon for deployment. So comments that I have about accessibility and who you interact with whenever I come to Walnut Street Labs. I've come several times for the startup meetup on Tuesdays, and I don't often get a chance to come to the Night Owls and come talk about this type of technology and do real hands-on demos, much more technical. I love this because you really get a lot of unique, out-of-the-box questions, and it requires me as a presenter to think more, and it really gives a lot more freedom to the people that have come to ask much more in-depth and real-world applicable types of questions. Hello, my name is Andrew Schwabe. I'm the founder of Formatic, and tonight I demoed Boxfuse and DevOps workflow, and this is Walnut Street.